Hello students, welcome back to computer class. So today with this video we are going to start chapter number 6 from book 6, that is more on MSW logo. So in the previous chapter we have learned the basic logo commands and how to draw different shapes using the logo commands. And within this chapter we are going to learn about some more MSW logo commands. So let's start. So the first command is home command. This command is used to bring the turtle to the center of the screen. It draws a line while moving to the center. This center is called the home position. As in this figure, we can see the turtle is moving in a forward direction. But when we will apply the home command, the turtle will come to the center of the screen, which is called the home position. Next is hide turtle and show turtle command. You must have played hide and seek with your friends. Yes, we all have played hide and seek and still we play this, isn't it? Next, you can also hide the turtle on your screen using the hide turtle command. Generally, this command is used after finishing the drawing. You can also write this command as HT in short. Next, the show turtle command is used to bring the turtle back to the screen after hiding it. You can also write this command as ST in short. So the hide turtle and show turtle is more like the hide and seek game. As in this figure, we can see this is the turtle which is visible on the screen. That means the show turtle command is applied there. So when we will apply the hide turtle command, the turtle will disappear on the screen like this. We cannot find the turtle on the screen. And when again we will apply the show turtle command, the turtle will again appear on the screen like this. Next one is clear screen command. This command is used to clear any drawing, pattern or figure drawn on the screen. After using this command, the turtle cleans the MSW logo screen and returns to its home position. You can also write this command as CS in short. So the clear screen or CS command is used when you wish to clear the screen after drawing something on the screen. Just you have to write clear screen or CS on the input box. The turtle will clear the screen and it will return to its home position. Up next command is clear text command. This command is given to clear the command input box. When you need to type a new set of commands, you can give clear text command. You can also write this command as CT in short. So the clear text or CT command is used to clear the recall list box and to add some new commands there. This command works like this way. Next one is pen up command. This command is used to move the turtle without drawing anything. It lifts the turtle to move to a certain part of the screen. You can also write the command as PU in short. So the pen up command or PU command is used only to move the turtle, but it will not draw anything. Like in this figure, you can see It is before applying the pen up command, and this one is after applying the pen up command. You can see the turtle is moving, but it is not drawing anything. So this command is used only to move the turtle. Next page, pen down command. This command is the opposite of pen up command. It is given after the pen up command and the turtle starts drawing again on the screen. You can also write this command as PD in short. As in this example, it is given FD30 PU, that means pen up. Pen up means it will not draw anything but it will just move. Then FD20 PD, that means it will again start drawing. Then again FD30 PU, FD20 PD, FD30 PU, FD20 PD. That means, see in this figure, when the FD30 PU will apply, it will not draw anything. Then FD20 PD, a line has been drawn by the turtle. Again FD30 PU, that means it will not draw anything. Like this way the turtle is moving in a forward direction. Next one is pen erase command. This is a very useful command. On giving this command, the turtle starts acting like an eraser. When you instruct the turtle to move over the lines, it will start erasing those lines. You can also write this command as PE in short.